So when you first upgrade the software, you'll see on your screen you get a video function, which is normal. You get a photo function, but there are only some options at the top. You have your the settings, the flash self timer, the image size, and also some filters which I find pretty useful. It's almost like Instagram, right? And what I'm interested is the wide selfie function, which when I used to swipe before that I'll get it, but now it is no more. It changes to live focus when I swipe it. So the way to reactivate it is actually to press on the gear icon at the top left, and then you scroll down to your camera modes and tap on the edit modes, and you will find the top three have actually been hidden. So I actually use wide selfie and food pretty often, so I'm going to turn them back on. So after you do that, you will see that you have wide selfie below. Beside the live focus, you get a wide selfie. The one that I told you about, where you can take two photos. The first one like this. So you're supposed to keep motionless when you do the wide selfie. So this time it's better. Yep. So that's how it works. Okay, so now to the next function, which is to do the split screen. Now to split screen, like I mentioned, you used to be able to swipe down from the top left hand corner, but if I try to swipe, you're never going to get it now because they changed it. So what you need to do is that you need to open up your most commonly used app. Okay, let me open up my chats. Okay, and at the bottom of the screen, on the bottom left, you'll see this three lines. Basically, you press and hold it, it will snap to the multi-screen function, and it will automatically minimize your top screen. And what you have to do is to select the bottom screen when you open up, and now you can actually resize your top screen, so that if you need to refer to something as you're doing something else. So when you're done, basically you can actually just close off the windows and you're done. Alright, so hope that helps you. So don't panic, the two functions are still there. Hope you enjoyed the video.